guys. Good morning. You guys. Good morning. So there's been a slight change of plans. Drywall isn't going to get done until tomorrow. Unfortunately, I was responsible for getting materials, and I didn't get the material until late. So it was 12:30 by the time I got everything. I'm so tired. So I went on Amazon and got a new makeup box because my other one is too small. I realized I don't really do like a whole 20 steps to my face. So originally I had the size small case. I'm gonna leave the link. I believe that I'm still gonna be using my small, maybe just not as frequent, I guess. Because I want to be able to put all my stuff in it. So the really great thing about the medium case is it has a compartment up here for the brush, and then this goes down. Then you have a compartment here for all your foundation and everything. And then, this is the part that I really loved. You have a compartment in here. So I can put my curling tools in here and close it. So I can do my flat iron and then my two curling irons in there, which is really great. I don't do like a whole lot of traveling, but I do find myself in Atlanta a lot just because that's where a lot of my trade accounts are at. And sometimes when I cannot reach out to vendors, I go to Atlanta. You guys, I ended up going to Express and I ordered some more stuff. This is not part of any collaboration. I did this on my own. The year before, when I had the collaboration, I had ordered this headpiece, and I think the headpiece was from Zara. But Express has this one, which is leather. It was a faux leather. I thought this was super cute. I'm not gonna wear it with my hair like this. I'm probably gonna do a ponytail like I did the last time and wear this. But I wanted this. The funny thing is it's not as stiff as my other headpiece, but I do still love it. I gotta try this one on. If it don't fit, I'll probably return it today because I gotta take the kids to get some stuff. I got these faux leather leggings. They should fit. They're a size small, and that's the size I wear. So I should be pretty safe. Hello? Oui, ma pou lundi mardi. Okay then. Okay. Bonne journée. Okay, bye-bye. All right, you guys. So, faux leggings. What I like about these is that it has a split in the middle. Oh, and they're pretty stretchy. Okay, for the stretch. Okay, for the stretch. But I like this. I like this. Y'all know I'm doing this whole chocolate, black, and cream and ivory for the fall. So I'm sticking to that because it just looks so good. I'm sorry. All right, you guys, for the piece de resistance. Okay, so when I'm editing, I always cut out so many parts of the video. For the Express China haul, I was like, damn, the video is so long. Do y'all want me to keep going on and on about Express? Like, y'all should already know, like, I really do love Express outside of the collaboration, right? So I had the hoodie on and I put the coat on and it was like tight. Like I couldn't even like really get comfortable in it. And I was like, literally, I said, this is exactly why I say the brown one is in a small and then I'm gonna order a medium in the black. So I did order the medium in the black. I think I told you guys the other video. They told me that it was lost because it was checked in, but it was never really checked in. But since I have on this sweater, I'll do it. Because this is what's gonna gauge if you're someone who wears like large sweaters, hoodies, and you want that comfort, then I was a medium. I tend to be more of like tanks, little stuff, because if I have on a blazer, especially here in Savannah, you can do a blazer, a tank, and still be good because the weather isn't like cold. But when I go to Atlanta, I need more of a coat. So I'm gonna probably, woo, baby, do it like this young big jack. This coat might be my Atlanta coat. I don't know. I might just bring both of them. Both of them. Y'all. And this sweater, you guys, it's from Zara. My mama probably had this thing for a really long time. I took it out of her closet. Well, let me not say I took it, like I just went in her closet. I was going out and she was like, you need a sweater. And she gave it to me and I was complimented all day in it. And so when I got back home, I said, Mom, you should just let me keep it because everybody told me I look good, you know? And she was like, okay. The medium, you guys. Look at my baby in the water. The medium is so good. I have to take the stitch out. But the medium is really, really good. I couldn't do the brown one with this sweater like this. Once you get the string out, I don't know if you guys can see the pocket sticking out. I'm gonna go ahead. I like my pocket like this. This is how I like to wear my pocket. Yeah, see, I like the pocket to look like this. It just looks a lot cleaner. And so I really do. I'm hot. I'm getting hot already. But I love the coat, y'all. Like, it's just such a situation. And see, like, I can do this. And this is where, like, the leggings and, like, a cute little shirt will come in really nice. Again, if you haven't gotten this coat, I'll leave the link in the bio. That way you guys can check it out. But this is going to gauge whether you need a size small or a size medium, depending on who you are in terms of your styling. If you want to do a hoodie, if you want to do a sweater, something a little bit thicker under the coat, then I would go a size up. But again, like I said, I have two. I have the brown one, which is a small, which is more tapered and fitted, which I love. And then this one here. But I feel like I'm going to enjoy both, like a lot. Yeah, I feel like I'm going to enjoy it. Let me make sure I have any. Oh! You want to take this off too. Don't forget. Alright, you guys, I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to go clean up. Tomorrow when the guys come, they're supposed to come at 8:30 in the morning to start work. I have to go to the bank to go pay them. I don't ever tell y'all how really stressed I am when these things are going in, because it's not the company's fault. And unfortunately, when you speak about something and your overall experience, it can be taken either way. It can be like, oh, we understand things happen, or it's like, I would never work with this company again. And I never want to put anything out on any company that I work with whatsoever. But there was definitely a few hiccups that kind of happened along the way. And to be quite honest with you, like, yesterday was just a day within itself that I just like was kind of over it. I feel as though everything that could have gone wrong yesterday essentially went wrong yesterday. So I really just want to turn my music on, clean my bedroom, clean my bathroom, get everything together so tonight I can have an amazing night's sleep knowing that everything is clean. And then after Thanksgiving, I'm going to call the companies to come out and just quickly clean all the upholstery again. It's approximately been about 5 months, but because the dust has traveled and made its way upstairs, I just want to get like a quick little refresh, because I want to do the roller shade situation. I want to do the drapery situation. I did not forget. I do want to get those videos recorded. I do want to have my Christmas tree up and fully like zhuzhed in all of that. I have to call for the fireplace for them to go ahead and refill that. A few things have to get done, so I do want to get those things under control. So I'm going to close it here, and then tomorrow we'll pick back up with the guys doing the sheetrock. Like I said, they'll be here tomorrow at 8 a.m. It's a new company. I'm so ready for this thing to be like over with, because I know it's construction, but I like the house like being together. And right now with it not being together, it's kind of like driving me a little insane, not gonna lie. But I know the end result's gonna be great. But anyway, you guys have a really good one. Pray that I find my debit card in doing laundry, because I haven't been able to find that. It really be the simple stuff, but it be a lot, y'all. Like, I ain't gonna lie. When you be by yourself and you be dealing with like little things, them little things be seeming so big.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright.
You guys, it is the next morning and this is how this is looking, which looks really, really good. I'm sure now it's like, okay, it's not so much wood. My floors are protected. The X board, absolutely amazing. Highly recommend it. There's a minor 1 or 2 little tears here and there on, it's not even on the X board. It's actually on the brown paper, but the X board held up with all the mud, everything, sheetrock, all that. But the only change that happened is, unfortunately, Home Depot, Lowe's, no one had it, which was the bull nose. So these corners actually ended up just being a very a sharp edge instead of the bull nose. Other than that, everything was pretty much on. It's white, so it's just kind of blurry. I do apologize, but this is it. Let me go stand the other way. I'm standing right at the opening of the entry, and so this is what it looks like. The other video, if you guys want to go back, you could see how it looked. I just really love it. Like, when I take pictures and I'm like, oh gosh. And then when I'm over here and I take pictures, it's just the details. Everything was, again, so long and so wide and so open. I just wanted to do something. What's left is the paint and also crown molding. I am doing crown inside of the boxes. It's going to be the 3-inch. As you can see, it's already on the wall. Plus, when the drapery gets added in, it's just going to finish off the space. I haven't decided yet, but I think what I'm going to end up doing is taking the paint color on the walls and going ahead and putting them inside, which is why I was thinking about going with a different color with the walls, because I don't want the ceiling to be too dark. Again, even though the house is a mess, when I come through this arch and I'm in the living room, it feels very romantic and I love it. This is what it's looking like on this side here. I'm by the back door. I just think overall, like, you know, do a reveal, like, and then come here and then I turn and it's done. That's how the reveal's gonna go. And then here's the ceiling. Here's everything.